Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And today we're going to be doing some, no, not meatballs, no, not miniature meatloaves. We're going to be doing some smash burgers. This is going to be amazing. And what are we doing it on? The Weber Crafted System griddle on the webergenesis E325. Whew. Man, these are looking good already, and we haven't done nothing to them. So we're gonna make these smash burgers as simple as pie, meaning that we're just gonna add a few ingredients. We got some onions, we got the meat, and we just got the seasoning profile right here, which is the Pitbull Java Jop House. I know it has nothing to do with Weber itself, but this is my go-to flavor profile for beef. And man, I spoke about this in my old previous videos, and this is definitely my go-to seasoning profile for all my beef and red meats. Oh, I just can't wait. So without further ado, let's get started right now. So let's get the preheating started, guys. We got the 2 burners going right now along with the sear zone, and man, this is about to heat up. So we're gonna let this heat up for about 400 to 500 degrees, and then we're gonna smash our burgers because we're looking for that beautiful crust. Ooh, baby, can't wait. Man, these are looking good, guys. So we've been running about 525, 550 at this point for about good 10-15 minutes, guys. So we are about to smash these burgers right here on this griddle top. Man, oh man, oh yeah, it's nice and hot, guys. Woo. So let's get the process rolling. So the first thing we're going to do is add some oil to our griddle top to make sure this is nice and coated, not too much. We're gonna make sure we coat that real well, and all we gotta do, guys, is spread our onions. Oh yeah, we're gonna let this cook for a while, and we're gonna create 4 piles because we're cooking 4 smash burgers. As you can see, we got 4 piles of the onions getting nice and caramelized at this point. And what we're gonna do next is smash our burgers on top of it. And we're gonna take one, just put on top of the onion just like so. Then we're gonna take our smasher and smash it down. As you can see, I end up putting the onions on top of the burgers at this point, so I can let the drippings of the onion flavor go deep inside to that burger itself, and that's going to create another layer of profile on top of that bite, man. Oh, I can't wait. So in the meantime, I'm going to toast these buns and then add our cheese. But before we do that, guys, we're going to add a little bit of water, and this is just H2O, to let that steam up, guys, to help cook it real fast. So it's time to add our cheese, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to use medium cheddar, and that's something I like. You can add whatever cheese you like, guys. You can use provolone, American, whatever you like. Even Gouda, which is going to be good. Be careful not to burn yourself. And there she is, guys. What we're gonna do is close our lid and let that rock and roll. All right, guys, this has been about 3 minutes at this point. Take a look at that. Ooh, she is beautiful. 4 beautiful burgers, smash burgers. And I know you didn't see it through the process, guys. I did use the smasher a couple more times to smash it down. But again, I just didn't film it, and I apologize. I thought I did, but I didn't film it. So, but take a look at our bun. Yes, sir. Brioche bun, guys. We're gonna pull these babies off, and we're gonna put them together, and we're gonna do the tasting after, which is the best part of the entire video. There it is. That's how you make a smash burger in the simplicity using the webergenesis E325 along with the Weber Crafted System griddle. Man, that is a amazing arsenal to have in your possession. So whew, the cheese has melted, the aroma that's given off with the onions that has been caramelized. Oh man, I gotta get into this, guys. If you are wondering what happened to the 4th burger, had a little accident. My dogs are enjoying that right now. I know onions are bad for them. I took the onions off, but they had the burger, and they're definitely enjoying it. You can't see them on camera, but let's get back to this, because it's time for me to taste test this burger. So we're gonna use a little bit of Duke's mayonnaise, and again, don't forget, we infuse these burgers with Pitbull's Java Chop House flavor profile, and we gotta hit it with a little bit of ketchup. So with our toasted buns, add a little bit of mayonnaise. You don't have to add mayonnaise, guys, if you don't want to. You can add whatever you like. This is my go-to mayonnaise because it's so flavorful. And just a little dab, not much. We'll add a little bit of ketchup. I don't want the condiments to overpower the burger, so I'm gonna choose the cheesiest burgers. Oh man, I know, no tomatoes, no lettuce. It wouldn't be a smash burger if we had that, right, guys? So let's take a look at that. Damn. Oh baby. Oh man, you know what's missing, guys? Some bacon. I should have added some bacon, but this is good enough. Enough talking. Time for the taste testing. Wow. Oh my God. Perfectly cooked, guys. Look at that. Still juicy. Medium rare, just how I like it. Oh. The different elements of flavor. Excuse me. I need a napkin. But the different elements of flavor that is hitting from the Java Chop House, which is my go-to season for beef. Oh man, for beef. Excuse me. This is amazing. I gotta take another bite. Excuse me, guys. Wow. Wow, truly, truly amazing. The caramelized onions is lifting the flavors of this burger up because we put it on top of the burger while it was cooking, and we smashed it a couple of times. And that cheese, medium cheddar, we could have went with sharp, and you guys can use any kind of cheese you want, but that medium cheddar is just perfect. Wow. And the condiments that we just displayed, the mayonnaise with the ketchup, didn't overpower the burger at all. Oh man, that is amazing. So there you have it, guys. Simplicity of a smash burger at its best. Few ingredients, you don't need much more. All you need is a griddle top. Get yourself a webergenesis or any type of gas grill you got. Add a griddle top to it. Smash you some burgers and enjoy, guys. Listen, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate everybody's time. And until the next time, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue, and I salute everybody that watched this video.